Okay guys, so these are super easy to make and they come together really quickly. So of course, first gather all of your ingredients. So I've got some fresh cut up pineapple here. I have my oat milk. I have some quick cook rolled oats, and you don't need to use quick cook. This is just what I have open right now. I'm gonna start putting some psyllium husk powder. Don't show or tell my mother this, just to help with the digestive tract. And then I've got two things that I use for sweet. So I just have here some organic coconut sugar that I've really been enjoying, and then some organic shredded coconut. And the only ingredient on this is coconut. That's it. So there's no sugar in this. I like things very tropical. So clearly this is going to give us a tropical vibe. I also put in a little bit of vanilla and a dash of salt. Okay, so then I've also got my measuring spoons, and I use 2 jars. So my husband, I'll make his in the bigger jar because he can eat more. So this is like a 12 or maybe 14 ounce ball mason jar. And then mine is just a little guy, like a 6 ounce maybe. That's going to be all that'll fit in that one. So yeah, so really all that I do is I either start with fruit on the bottom, or if I'm not doing fruit, I'll kind of start with other ingredients. So I'm just going to start by putting some pineapple in the bottom here, just to kind of cover the bottom. And then I'm going to grab my oats. And this is a 1/4 cup of oats, so I'll just start with that. And then I will come behind it with some of my shredded coconut. And this is just like a small teaspoon that I'm using. So maybe about 2 big ones. I'm gonna use just a little bit. This is a 1 teaspoon measuring, but I'm just gonna maybe use half of the coconut sugar. I'll add that in there. And then I'm gonna do a teaspoon of psyllium husk, because that's what the serving size is. Toss that right in there. And then I'm gonna come back in with some more oats. So I might be using maybe a 1/2 cup in total. Okay. Then what I like to do is I seal this bad boy up, right? Because you don't want to fill it all the way up to the top because it is going to expand. And then I give it a good shake just to kind of get all the ingredients working well together. And then you're going to top this with whatever milk you choose. So I'm using oat milk. And you don't want to fill it all the way to the top, but you definitely want to get it full. So the trick to this too is that, right, the milk, you can kind of see that there's like a lot of dry areas there. So I just use a spoon and I just kind of make sure that the milk is absorbing and getting down to all the places that I want it to go. So, right, so that looked like it was full and now it's not full at all. So it's a good thing to kind of shake it up a little bit. Okay. And this just marinates overnight. It gets really soft. It gets super flavorful. So as you can see, right, I can still add more milk. So I'm just gonna go up to like the first little groove, right, little groove in the bottle. And then I'm just gonna add in a little bit of vanilla. I mean, really not a whole lot, just a couple of little drops. And then just a dash or 2 of salt. Okay, seal it up. Give it another good shake. Boom, there you go. Look at that, breakfast. So this will go in the fridge, and yeah, then I'll enjoy it tomorrow morning. Super easy, and you can make a bunch of them at the same time. So, okay guys, that's it. April's tropical overnight oats. Enjoy.